Dude, it's huge.
Oh my god.
It's huge.
I have a light rod too.
It's huge. It's probably like 4 times the size of the hole.
Oh my god.
It's huge.
Beautiful day out here. Just gorgeous. What's up, YouTube? We're here at Antero Res with Fiona. Getting on some slightly larger trout than usual.
Definitely.
Maybe much bigger.
Much bigger trout, yeah.
Big fish.
Yeah, for sure.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. One. Got him. Got him. Got him. Can you grab my transducer, Fiona? I'll get it. It's a nice one. It's a nice fish. Oh, my drag's good. Come on. Oh. Got him, yes. Look at that. That's a fatty. 17 incher. There he goes. All right, cool. It didn't take too long.
Yeah,
You got him. Saw him on the fish finder. You got it.
Oh, is he still on? I don't think he's still on.
Or is he? Oh, dang. Let's set it back down. Maybe he'll come back.
For sure. Get the fish. Yep. Yep. There's like 2 there.
He went up.
Oh, I had him. Shoot. Shoot, I had him.
Oh.
You got him. Yes, Fiona.
Yes. Okay, easy. Take your time with this guy, okay? Could be a big fish. I might loosen up your drag a bit, too. That's a nice one. Actually, I think you're doing good. I'm gonna loosen up a bit, okay? Just keep that tension on him. Nice. That's a nice fish.
Oh my god, it's huge.
Easy. Take it easy. Don't rush, okay? Let him come up the hole when he's ready. Oh gosh. Yep. You're doing great. The tank. The tank. Keep it tense. Oh my god, that's a nice fish, Fiona. You're doing great. Oh, he's like hung up on the side. You're good. He'll probably be fine. He'll probably undo himself. Yes. Nice one. Wow. Take your time. Whew. I'm the one getting all freaked out. Oh, yes.
Yeah! Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, it is. You can keep him if you want to. That's a nice keeper. Up to you. We already got trout.
Yeah, we can keep him.
Yeah? Yeah, and he's not like too big to keep. He's like probably 17 or 18. Bad.
That was a good fight.
Good fight. Fun little ice fight.
What do you think?
He's 17 also. Just a little fatter than mine. All right, we're gonna keep him.
I think so. He's nice.
All right, we're gonna keep that one. That's a beautiful keeper. Love it. How you feeling? Feeling pretty good? You got your Antero fish?
Yes.
No way, it's not going.
Oh, yes, Fiona. We just got one. We got another fish on.
Oh, that drag is loose. Hold it real quick. Tight pieces in it. Nice. I might do it again. You just caught that fish 5 minutes ago and you already got another one. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a nice one too. Oh, wait, keep attention. He got slack for a second, I got scared. You're good though. He's fighting like crazy. They keep getting kind of wrapped up today. I can see it.
Yeah.
Holy cow. The jawjacker wasn't even going. Another football.
Another fat one.
Another football. Right as I was bonking that fish. Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous.
You want to pick with him too?
Yeah, definitely. I gotta up the game here.
We're gonna put this guy back though?
Maybe, probably.
Alright.
Nailed it. Uh-oh, he's bleeding.
There he goes.
Did I eat him?
That was great. Nice job.
See, he's still killing over there.
I think you just look big right now. It's just a thing you gotta do when you got the buddy heater in the hut. It's just what you gotta do. On you. He was on you there. Yeah, he's on you. He's on you. Get ready, get ready. I wonder if I can see him down there.
Oh, I don't know if he liked that. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Oh, I see him.
You see him? Oh, he's big. He's big. He's big. He's coming for my jig. Got him.
Can you pull my deuce route, please? Thank you. Can you untangle me, please? Thank you. Looks like a brown, too.
That does.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, dude, it's huge.
Oh my god.
It's huge.
I have a light rod, too.
It's huge. Here, we'll get some, It's humongous.
My heart's pounding.
It's probably like 4 times the size of the hole.
Oh my god.
It's huge!
I don't think he's ready. It's all good. Will you help me? Will you help me? Oh!
It's
Oh! Look at that kite! That's like... Oh! Oh!
That's so cool!
Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh!
It's huge!
That's like a 22-incher. It's so dark. He's so dark. Oh, look at that kite! Yeah, I don't think he's 20. He's 20. He's right on the dot. 20. Oh, beautiful fish. Oh! Look at that fish. That's beautiful. Antero brown. There he goes. Yeah.
That was awesome.
Oh, what a beast. All right. Packing up. What did we get? 4 fish today. Jawjacker went off twice with no fish. But I thought we did pretty well. Did pretty well.
Great conditions.
Beautiful day. Not much wind. It's like a high of 43 out here.